Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video is the second of three videos that I'm going to do on these USB-C hubs. So again, of transparency, I've received all three of these products, including this one here, from the company. But I have not been paid, or no one was reviewing the video before I upload. So just to let you know, this is my honest review. So there's no bias or anything like that. So just to let you know again, as you've probably known in my previous videos where I bought the two Amazon ones for my laptop and my partner's one, because we've only got one actual port here for USB-C, so it's a bit limiting, and same as hers is a MacBook. So this is specifically for your MacBook because of the adapter. So you can see here the Thunderbolt and then the USB and HDMI. So this is the 7-in-2 USB-C hub. This is the model TC47. So as we can see on the back here, it does have RJ45, so that's Ethernet. So that's good to see. You've got USB-C, HDMI, and you've got USB Type A 3.0 ports, and also you have the SD reader as well, and a little micro SD card reader as well. So that's really good to see. So if we just open it up, so as we said, the packaging here on these products are nothing to worry about when it's getting transported at some distance. So you do have on here, you do have some little, basically their website and everything else, and some good geeky stickers as well, so that's always good to see. And here's the product itself. So as you can see here, so it's nicely protected as well. So they do think about these, just these little tiny things that add the extra security for the, when it's transported and everything else. So I won't be able to actually test this one because this one, I don't have the two ports on my laptop here. My partner, I can't get hold of her laptop right now because she's away. So I can just give you a rundown. So this is, again, the 7-in-2. So this is a Thunderbolt 3. So it goes up to 4K 60 megahertz, and the power delivery is up to 100 watts. And that's again the speed of the Thunderbolt is 40 gigabits per second. So again, the HDMI as well is 4K at 60 hertz. So as we can see here, we've got the Ethernet. So it's got some ventilation again. So don't worry if it does get a little bit hot. It's normal, and you can see it's made of very strong, like a metal. So it will get warm to the touch, but that's just normal if you're putting a lot of load through it. It is very compact and light, so you can see how it actually, when installed on the side of your MacBook, how it will go in and connect. But also, it's just flush with everything, but you've still got access to all the ports here, so it's nicely designed. And I like the Ethernet is actually on the back, so that's fantastic. So you haven't got a cable running up here. So again, you can see here, it's got the two ports here that you connect to your MacBook. So this is specifically for MacBooks with this style of USB-C or Thunderbolt. Then you have here, you've got your Ethernet. So again, it's good to see that you've got your activity lights and your active light as well, so you can make sure you've got a proper connection, and also some ventilation. So again, if we go around here, you can see we have the power delivery. We have the HDMI, so again, as we said, that's HDMI up to 4K 60 hertz. Then we have two USB Type A ports here, that are USB 3.0 data ports. And then lastly, on the back here, you have the micro SD card reader and the SD card reader as well. So it's really good to see you've got all of that in one little really flush unit as well. And again, you can see how it actually fits everything straight in there, as well as when you can connect your Ethernet on the back, and then it connects straight into your laptop, as straightforward as that, and you've still got access to all the ports here. It just gives you so much more to your MacBook. So again, this is just a quick rundown. Again, I'll put the specs on the screen, and if you have any questions, as usual, leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to get back to you. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.